Are you tired of getting incorrect profit and loss reports in Zoho Books? Learn to generate an accurate P&L in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, from opening the report to applying the right filters, so you get the exact data you need. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click on the Reports tab in the left sidebar. From the list of reports, select Profit and Loss. Click on Month to Date to set a quick period. Switch it to this quarter if that's more relevant. Choose your report basis. Click on Accrual for accrual-based accounting. If you need cash basis instead, click on Cash. Click on More Filters to narrow things down. Select Project from the filter options. Click on Select a Comparator to define your condition. For this example, choose Is Empty to filter projects with no data. Click on Run Report to generate it. Review the profit and loss report on your screen. That's it. Hope this helps. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.